Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can easily see and cancel the sent request on Facebook. I will tell you, you have to first of all open the Facebook app. In this you will see the third option on the top of the person you icon, just beside the video icon. You have to click on the person icon. After click on this friends option, then here you have to click on the friend request option. Here you will be able to see the friend request that anyone have sent to you. Then on the top right corner you will see three dot menu button. You have to click on it and then you will see an option called view sent requests. You have to click on this. Here you will be able to see the option to cancel the sent request that you have sent to anyone. You have to just click on cancel. Like you can see that request is cancelled. I hope you like this video and this worked for you. Thanks for watching this video.